Where should I actually start this from? What happened the last 6 months since I was actually like completely gone from YouTube? By big reasons, you can believe me. The first one, you know, some of you may know, like, I got a son, and that also takes a lot of time, especially when they're young. So yeah, we were pretty busy with our son, but that wasn't actually the main factor why I was gone. It was also one. The biggest one was we are just fed up with the city at the moment. Yes, our son was one of the big reasons why we are fed up with the city, but in total we're just overwhelmed. You know that feeling like when you crank up the volume to 11? I was living like that in Vienna for the last few years. Now I finally I'm ready to turn it down a little bit and not like blast out music completely loud and just like settle down a little bit. Actually, that's what also like my girlfriend's plan or like wishes was, to get a little bit more like quiet place, and we also wanted to have something green around us for our son to go out and just play. So we started our journey to look for a house. First plan was to actually look for a house to renovate, and we found a beautiful old villa, like built in 1895. Beautiful building, 300 square meters, completely broken down to be renovated. Like everything had to be done, like everything. There wasn't even a heating inside, okay? But we were actually eager to take on the task and made an offer for that house, which didn't go through because somebody bid more money than we did. But in the end, we don't know if it's good or bad, but we think it was for the better, since we have a young child and want to spend time with him, not just renovating a house. After some convincing my girlfriend to take a look at new buildings, because she actually wasn't really eager to build something new, we took a look at some like pre-constructed buildings. I don't know the perfect English term. And there was one company in Austria based, they build on lumber, like wood construction building. Kind of fit our taste. They have really high ceilings, they have a lot of wood inside, the all over concept is really nice. And we actually thought, okay, let's take a look for a property to build on. And yeah, as you know, like also finding that one house took us months to find. Now we're looking for a property to build on, which should be close to Vienna, but outside. That's a big money factor, let's say it like this. But we found something not too far outside of Vienna, and not too far, half an hour, but beautifully in the forest. Great, like we have from our backyard we can walk into a forest. That's like amazing. Now we are actually in that phase of planning our house, which is crazy intense, cause like every week we have to make new decisions. What kind of floors, what kind of tiles, what kind of kitchen, what kind of bath. Like every week there's different decisions to make, and that's why I actually have been away, because I'm like super busy with that project. But if everything runs like, well, is going according to plan, we should be able to move into that house end of September latest, which is crazy fast. But that's the current plan. Let's see how we are still in our time schedule. Building should start, or construction should start in beginning of April. If everything goes through, that would be like the perfect time. So starting of April we will be starting the construction. We will still living in this apartment right here, but we will also be like already be on the countryside a lot. We are building a house. We are moving out of Vienna, and I will get the whole basement for myself. It will be like my office, and it will be a studio, and it will be amazing, and we can do a lot of shit there. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that project, but I'm also like, I'm really missing you guys. It's amazing, like there's such like a lot of you write me comments and messages if I'm still there, if I'm okay. Yes, everything is super fine, we are really happy, everything is going great with our son. But like the time wasn't there, like I didn't have time to record videos. I also have to make a big thanks to Nico from Nico's Photography Show, because he's like pushing me to record again also, which is thanks Nico, thanks a lot. And yeah, I want to record again. I'm looking currently for an editor to help me reduce my payload, so I just have to record that stuff and he helps me editing, which saves like 50% of the time I take. And that's actually currently my plan. I know money is like not a pretty good factor in that, but let's see. So yeah, I will be producing videos again, hopefully more, hopefully soon. And yes, thanks everybody for sticking around, and hope to see you soon. Bye!